Time to leave for North Carolina, 6 a.m. Saturday morning, November 21st, 2015. We are packed, ready to go. Everybody's ready except Blake because he didn't put his guns away. Unbelievable. Goodbye, Libby. You be a good dog, okay? Gavin, you fit back there?
Yeah, I had to punch through that.
Oh my.
You left all that stuff. Wait,
Tight
I
squeeze.
forgot my pillow.
The sun's about to come up. Cracker Barrel for breakfast. Ready to hit the road again. What are you doing back there? Almost to Tennessee. Tennessee. In the Great Smoky Mountains now. Look at this pipeline. Wow. This is the Cashiers Farmers Market. Check this place out. Not bad.
There's 2 bedrooms.
There we go. Got some lights in here. Turn those lights on. Want to start a fire, Blake?
Yeah.
We don't have any firewood. We're going to have to go through the woods and collect it. Blake's checking all the slots. Yeah. Yep, sounds like it. Wow. Yeah, it's a big lake.
Whoa!
Wow, that's loud. Man.
Holy! Can you get closer?
Yeah, we can go right down to it.
Oh! Whoa! Should we play it right now?
A 1/10 of a mile down the stairs. Heading to Rainbow Falls and Gorges State Park.
Blake, you gotta run far because we can see you high. I'm lying.
I can hear the waterfalls. Man, I should have brought the drone. There it is. It's mist all the way to here. Get my camera wet. My goodness. Look at all that mist. I'm glad I didn't bring the drone. That's pretty spectacular. heading up to Whiteside Mountain.
Quiet. Hit public places.
Nope.
What if they did? Wow, yeah. Let me get one. Seriously?
Oh my gosh, did you lose it? Oh, you better be careful. You're going to be chasing that thing down a quarter mile.
Like you can spear it like that and let it slide on your hand. Wow.
Make it a little closer.
Are you videotaping?
All right, we're in the taxidermy shop. Blake is in heaven. All kinds of good stuff in here. That's what they look like.
Oh, Mom, there's everything.
Yeah, this is awesome. Check out the roof. Used roofing. Barn beams galore in here. This is Bridal Falls. This is Dry Falls. We're working our way down to. It's a 65-foot waterfall. Nice.
That's the best one we've seen.
Yeah, this is nice. You can go behind it, can't you? Wow, that's cool. I'll zoom in with my other camera. This is the Cullasaja Falls. There you are, just not in the house, silly.
Dad, do you have any room to carry this? You think that rock's slippery right there? Dad,
Probably.
why is there...
Whoa! 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 Walked right off the step.
We're getting ready for our Thanksgiving dinner with a roaring fire. We have chicken instead of turkey, mashed potatoes, green beans, and gravy.
Terrible video camera!
And cranberry, whatever that is. And we have rolls and mac and cheese. And Mother's doing the dishes.
Florida! You guys getting excited about Florida?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're in Florida. Excited about Suntide. Gavin's back there in his little cell.
Woo! We made it!
Socks are done all week. Pretty calm out here today. Nine o'clock Sunday morning. It's already almost 75 or 80 degrees. The beach is still a little bigger than last year, but man, the tide is way down right now. There's Harold in the ocean.